Hey folks, my name is Mike Toledo and I'd like to show you the value of PDR with cost. I'll be using a price guide to determine overall factors. Here's a dent that is just over 3 inches, that is deep, going across the body line and on high strength steel. Not all dents are the same unfortunately, so we need to specify different elements of the dent. Each factor adds a percentage of the final price of the dented panel. Specific PDR tools with a line board reflection not only help us properly see your dent, but remove it with precision. This process doesn't harm your original or custom finish. No Carfax report, performed in hours, not days, and our service comes to you, or you can come to us. So before you're told you need to replace your panel or repaint it, contact us first. Our team at Dent Time is focused on saving you lots of time and the overall resale value of your vehicle. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to servicing your vehicle.